Afternoon to all of you, my dear children. A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. In today's session, let us revise on worksheet 1 to M3. Yes, so let's do a revision test paper today. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, are you all ready with your rough book? Yes, all of you take your rough book. Can you see the paper, my dear children? Can all of you see it properly? Yes, is it legible to everyone? Yes. So here is a revision paper for you. Okay, revision on worksheet 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so all of you, please do take a rough book, take a pencil with you, all of you. Yes. So this is these two questions, that is question 1 and question 2 is on worksheet 1. Okay, so you have to read the question and you have to do the answers by yourself. So the first question, your time starts now. Okay, are you all ready? Yes, write only the answers in your answer script. Are you all ready? Write the letters. Let me unmute you all. Are you all ready? Write the letters in the alphabetical order. Okay, so here are a few alphabet are given for you. What we have to do, we have to write these alphabet in the alphabetical order. Please do it. Do the first question. Come on. Read the question. B, K, D, M, F. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to arrange them in the proper order and write them in the alphabetical order. Do it. Maybe this is your answer script. Write question 1, write 1 and write only the answers. Come on, write. Let me see you all writing.
Then write.
Yes, write the first question. Write the first question, my dear. This is the first question for you. Can you see the board, all of you? Can all of you see the board?
Yes.
Can all of you see the board? Children, can you see the board? Yes. Look at the question and write only the answers. Okay? Come on, write. Start writing.
Yes.
So write the letters in the alphabetical order. The first question is B, K, D, M, F. Later on, we will discuss the answers. Okay? Write the answer. Write the answer for the first question. So what we have to do, we have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. Please do it.
And page number?
Page number is not there.
Constable have completed first question.
Okay, what about the rest? If you have finished, let's move on to the second question. Okay, let's move on to the second question. Now let's move on to the second question. Now all of you read the question in your mind. R, N, G, O, Q. So what you have to do, you have to arrange these letters in the alphabetical order. Please do the second question. Do it. Yes.
Should we only write in two or?
Yes, right. Only the second question. Now let's move on to the second question. That is Roman number 2. Arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Have all of you finished with the second question? Can we move on to the Roman number 2? Yes?
No.
No, you haven't finished with this. Now let's move on to this question. Okay. So what you have to do, read the question well. Arrange the words in the alphabetical order. These two, question number 1 and question number 2 are from worksheet 1. Okay. So this is the way you'll be getting the questions. Potato, onion, tomato, radish. So what you have to do, you have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Do it. Read the words potato, onion, tomato, radish. We have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. We know the alphabets well. So what we have to do, say which word has to, which name of the vegetable has to come first. Please do it. Say the alphabet. Without the help of anyone, you do it by yourself, all of you. Yes. If you're finished with that question, let's move on to the next question. Have all of you finished?
No.
Okay.
Man completed.
Okay. So let's move on to the second question. Okay. Now here's the second question for you. Okay. So goat, hen, tiger, cow. You have to rearrange these words in the alphabetical order. Do it. Rearrange. Arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Do it. Let me see you all writing.
Man, page number. Man, page number.
Page number is not there. You look at this is a revision test paper, my dear. Please, all of you look at I'll be sending it in the group. Okay, later, not now. After 5, after I finish the session, I'll be sending it in the group so that you can revise it with this paper. This is a model of the question paper, okay? Of the written examination.
Can you see them? I am drawing this.
Yes, have all of you finished? Have all of you finished with these 4 questions?
Yes.
Yes. If you are finished, please do give me a thumbs up. Yes. If you are finished, now let's move on to the third question. Okay, then later on we will discuss the answers. Okay, last 10 minutes we'll discuss the answers.
And this is not completed.
Okay, carry on writing.
Principal have completed.
Yes, if you have
Last
completed, now let's move
lesson.
on to the next question. Okay, can I move on to? I have all of you finished. Yes, let me see your thumbs up. Yes,
No.
who's still writing?
Yes, sir.
Who's still writing?
Trisha.
Drishya. Okay, carry on. If you're finished, let's move on to the next question, my dear.
Yeah.
Yes, it's not necessary to waste our time. If all are finished, let's move on to the next question. Now, here comes the next question for you. Okay, so these questions are from worksheet 2. Okay, what you have to do is rewrite the sentences using full stop. Okay, so we know where to place the full stop. So here comes the question for you. Mary had a little lamb. You have to rewrite the sentence. Come on, do it. Do the first question.
Write the first question.
Yes, write it.
Ma'am.
Yes, my dear. Come on, tell me.
I have no page.
That's okay. You take your rough paper or a rough book or any page what you have. So this question, children, you have to rewrite it. Rewrite the full sentence and place this full stop at the end of the sentence. Do it. Have all of you written? Yes?
Oh.
Yes, right. Carry on writing. Mary had a little lamb. Come on, write it. Write the sentence. Let me see you all writing. Write fast.
Completed. Completed.
Children, I'll be sending the revision question paper in the group. Okay. So that you know how to answer. This is a model of the question paper of the written examination. For the written examination, you have 20 marks for the written examination. Okay. Yes. Finished with the first question? Yes?
Yeah.
Have you have you inserted the full stop there?
No. Yes. Yes.
Now let's move on to the second question. All of you, please do write the second question. So the question is rewrite the sentences using full stop. Come on. The sun, come on, write it. The sun rises in the east. Then place the full stop where it should be. Come on, do it. Do it, all of you. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see the question paper properly? Do you want me to zoom it?
No.
No, okay. Yes, come. If you have completed, tell me if completed. We'll discuss the answers. We'll do one more questions, okay?
Completed.
Completed, okay. I'm waiting for everyone to complete.
Completed.
Have all of you completed? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, have we all completed with the third question? Now, can we move on to the fourth question? With that, we'll stop for today's session. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, have we finished with these two questions?
No, ma'am. Yes.
No, they're completed.
Yes. Completed.
Children, it's not necessary for you to write the headings, only write the sentence. And you have to insert a full stop where it is required. Okay, that is the question for you. If you have finished, now let's move on to the fourth question. Fourth question is what? Rearrange the words to make sentences. Have all of you understood what you're supposed to do? You have to rearrange it. Rearrange the words are not in the order. So what we have to do, we have to rearrange the words so as to make a sentence. After rearranging it, remember to use capital letters and full stop. So how was that? Come on, do this one. First one for me. Write the answer. Let me see you all doing it. Later on, we will discuss the answers, okay? So let me see whether you have understood or what. That's why I'm asking you to write it. Okay, have I rabbit a pet? So we have to rearrange the words to make sentences. Remember to use capital letters and full stop. Have I rabbit a pet?
Ma'am, page number?
Page number, please look at the screen, my dear, the board and copy down. It is a revision test paper. So this is the model of the question paper, okay?
Ma'am, please tell me the key spelling.
What do you want?
Ma'am, please tell the spelling of his.
What is spelling of what?
Has.
Has.
Have.
It's there, no, my dear. It is written there. You can't see the board. Have I a rabbit? Only thing you have to do is you have to rearrange the words.
He's asking. Please tell me the has spelling.
Has is not there. For you, it's not required to write the spelling of has. Here, the question is, have I a rabbit a pet? So what you have to do? You have to really... have is already there in the board. Look at the words and you rearrange the words. That's all you have to do. Later on, we will discuss the answers. Okay.
And completed.
Okay. If you have completed, those who have completed with the first question, move on to the second question. Curly hair has Jack. Come on. Curly hair has Jack.
That's Ma'am, once more read.
Curly hair has Jack. Yes, my dear. Have all of you finished?
Yes.
Everyone?
No.
Okay, carry on. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes more. Finish till here. Okay. That's all. That's all. Only till here. Finished. Okay. Later on, I will send the paper to you. Can we discuss the answers? Have all of you finished?
Completed.
Yes, even if you have not completed is okay. Let us discuss the answers now. Okay. And if your answers are right, what we are going to do it, we are going to self-assess our work. Okay. If your answers are right, we have going to put a tick mark. Okay. So I am going to call your names. Okay. Okay. I'll start with,
I don't have completed, ma'am.
yes. Aida is there?
Completed my
Okay.
work.
Aida Rahul. Aida is not there.
Ma'am.
Yes, come on. Read the first question for me. Aida, come on.
Adya.
Adya. Okay, I'm sorry. Adya. The first question is, write the letters in the alphabetical order. Now, come on, read the question. Adya. B.
A. D.
M. Can you hear me? Adya? No, you first look at the screen and you do it. It's there. Can you see the screen?
B. K.
Yes.
M.
Yes.
B. D. F. K. M.
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to write these letters in the alphabetical order. So which letter has to come first, Adya? Come on, say the answer once more.
B.
B, very good. B, which is the next letter?
D.
Mm.
F.
Yes, second letter is D, then F. Okay, then. So as you write it, you have to strike the question paper. You can't do it, but still. Yes, then.
K.
K, very good.
M.
M, very good, Adya. Well done. Yes,
Yeah.
very good. Yes. If your answers are right, children, put a tick mark against it and give 1 mark. Okay, put 1 mark against it. Okay, the next person is Aradhya. Where is Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, come on, read the second question, Aradhya.
R
Mm,
N
mm,
P
mm,
O P.
mm. Q. Okay, so we have to rearrange these letters in the alphabetical order. Come on, do it. Mm.
N O P R.
Okay, which is the first letter?
G.
G, yes, G.
D N
N, okay, N.
O
O, yes, very good. Now, O. After O, it is
P.
Q. Yes, then
R.
R, very good. Okay, so this is the right answer, my dear children. If your answers are right, put a tick mark and give 2 marks. Do it. Is your answers right? Do it. So this is the way you do the first question. Is that clear to all of you? So you will be asked to arrange the letters in the alphabetical order. That's the first question. So if your answers are right, what do you have to do? Put a tick mark and give the marks for yourself. Have all of you got 2 out of 2? Now let's move on to the second question.
Yes,
Okay. Asiya. Where is Asiya and Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asiya and Aisha, come on. Asiya, come on, read the next question. Arrange the words in the alphabetical order. Here you can find few words here, names of few vegetables. What do you have to do?
Onion,
Yes. Potato.
potato,
Mm,
radish,
mm,
tomato.
Okay, so what we have to do, we have to arrange these words in the alphabetical order. So which?
Onion,
Yes. Yes, onion.
potato,
Yes, potato.
radish,
Yes, radish.
tomato,
Tomato.
tomato.
Tomato. Yes, very good.
Thank
Very
you, ma'am.
good, Asiya. Now let's move on to the next question. Aisha, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do the next question.
Cow,
No, first you read the question.
goat,
Goat,
hen,
hen,
tiger,
tiger,
cow.
cow. Very good. Now rearrange the letters, words in the alphabetical order. Do it.
Cow,
Cow, very good.
goat,
Goat,
hen,
hen,
tiger.
tiger. Very good. So Aisha and Asiya, very good. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so if your answers are right, children, put a tick mark and give 2 marks for yourself. Yes? Have all of you got 2 here and 2 here? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. Yes? Can I change the page?
Yes.
Okay. Here it is. Time is already up. So Mary had a little lamp. What you have to do here? You have to rewrite the sentences using a full stop. Where we have to place a full stop, my dear children? Come on, tell me. Where we have to place a full stop? At the end of the sentence. Very good. So Mary had a little lamp. Where we have to place this full stop?
End of the sentence.
At the end of the sentence. Here. If your answers are right, what we have to do? Put a tick mark. Okay. The next question
Put a
is the
tick mark.
sun rises in the east. Where we have to place a full stop.
The sentence.
Yes. So after the east, you place a full stop. Okay. If your answers is right, come on, give a tick mark and give here 2 marks. Clear? Now let's move on to the next set of questions as time is okay. So we are running out of time, my dear children. So I'll be reading the question for you. Have I a rabbit a pet? So we have to rearrange the words to make a sentence. So when we rearrange it, what we have to do? Which word comes first here? I. So I should be written in capital letter. Okay. I.
have.
Very good.
I
I have a pet rabbit. Okay, very good. I have a pet rabbit. At the end of the sentence, what should I do? Full stop. All of you, please do check your answers are right. If your answers are right, what we should do? Put a tick mark. Are you doing it? Yes. Now let's move on to the next question. Curly hair has Jack. So, yes, Jack. So when we begin a sentence, what we have to do? Yes, J should be written and it's also a name of a person. Okay, Jack. Come on, tell me the answer. Jack. Has curly hair. Yes, very good. Very good, children. Okay, you know what. Now, at the end of the sentence, what we should do? Full stop. Answer right? Come on, check the answers. Check your answers with this answer. Is it right? Then put a tick mark. Yes. And what we have to do, if you have got full marks, give 2 there. So it's total how much mark is? It is 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So mark, the total mark is out of 8. So if you've got 8 out of 8, give the star for yourself. And show me your work. Give 2 stars if you have got 8 out of 8. Can you draw the stars? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, draw the stars. If you know to draw the stars, please draw it.
Ma'am, I kept my book back.
Okay, it's okay. Yes, let me see all your stars. Very good, Anai. What about the rest? Yes, Adya, very good. Yes, Aiden, very good. Yes, Aiden. Very good, Aiden. Yes. Come on. What about the others? Have all of you finished? Yes, all have got 8 out of 8.
Yes.
Yes, can I wind up today's session?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, children. Okay, I'll be sending the question. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear children.
you,
Thank
ma'am.
you all. Bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Okay, bye, children.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.